Just take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 23 videos, yet it has already gained more than 2,000 subscribers. What's even more impressive is that the channel appears to be generating a handsome income. Almost every video attracts thousands of views, and some of them perform exceptionally well. The most surprising part is how simple the content strategy is. There are no complicated animations, expensive equipment, or advanced editing skills involved. The videos are straightforward, easy to create, and still manage to capture a lot of attention. This channel is a great example of how success on YouTube doesn't always require huge effort or a massive budget. Sometimes choosing the right niche and creating content that people are genuinely interested in can deliver incredible results. The growth, engagement, and consistent views clearly show that this model is working, making it one of the most interesting channels to study if you're looking for simple but effective YouTube ideas. Now let's move into ChatGPT. The process is actually very simple. First, copy the prompt that I provided and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will start following the workflow and ask you to choose a viral potential video idea from the list it generates. You can choose any idea you like. For example, I selected idea number 1. After selecting the idea, ChatGPT immediately starts working on the narration script. The great thing is that you don't have to worry about writing the script yourself. It generates a complete, professional quality narration that is easily long enough for a 15-minute documentary-style video. The storytelling is engaging, the retention is high, and the script follows a proper beginning, middle, and end structure. Once the narration is complete, I simply tell ChatGPT that I also need image prompts and video prompts for the entire script. This is where things become really powerful. Before generating the visuals, I take a screenshot from a successful channel whose animation style I want to replicate and upload that screenshot to ChatGPT as a reference. After analyzing the screenshot, ChatGPT creates a complete scene-by-scene visual system. It generates detailed image prompts for every important moment in the script while maintaining the same character style, color palette, and overall visual consistency throughout the video. Then I simply copy the first scene prompt and tell ChatGPT, please generate the image for this scene. Because ChatGPT already has the reference screenshot, it produces an image that closely matches the original channel's style. The character design, facial expressions, colors, outlines, and overall quality look incredibly similar to the reference. Just look at the image quality. The characters are consistent, the environments look professional, and everything feels like it belongs to the same animation universe. This is extremely important because consistent visuals make the final video look much more professional. After generating the first image, I move to the next scene. I copy the second prompt, paste it, and ask ChatGPT to generate the image. Within seconds, another high-quality image is ready. I continue this process scene by scene until all images are generated. I have tested this workflow many times, and the results have been surprisingly consistent. Every time ChatGPT maintains the same character style and visual identity across all scenes. This eliminates one of the biggest problems creators face when using multiple AI tools: character inconsistency. Now let's move to the AI tool we're going to use. The name of the tool is Akool Ai. And before anyone asks, no, this is not a paid promotion or sponsored collaboration. I'm sharing this tool because I've personally tested it and found it very useful for creating AI content. The best part? You can use many of its features for free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to access and use those free features without spending any money. Akool Ai is much more than just a simple AI tool. It gives you access to multiple, powerful AI models and features in one place. You can use advanced image generation models, AI video creation tools, GPT models, and many other AI features that help speed up your content creation process. Now, click on the Sign Up button. One of the best things about this platform is that you don't even need to use your personal email address to get started. You can simply use a temporary email. Just copy a temporary email address and paste it into the sign-up form. After that, complete a few basic details such as your username and password. Once you've finished, Akool will send a verification code to your email address. Go back to your temporary email inbox. Copy the OTP code and paste it into the verification field. And boom! You're officially inside the platform. Now, when I first signed up and saw the credits available in my account, I was honestly shocked. At first, I thought that 30 credits wouldn't be enough to do anything meaningful. But trust me, If you use those credits wisely, you can create multiple AI videos without spending a single dollar. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the most out of those free credits. So let's get started. First, navigate to the image to video section. Once you're inside, you'll notice that Akool provides access to multiple powerful AI video generation models, including Veo, Cdance, Kling AI, and several other advanced models. These models are capable of producing incredible results. However, most of them require premium credits or paid plans. Since this tutorial is focused on creating AI videos for free, we'll be using the Akool model because it's available with the free sign-up credits and still delivers excellent results. Now upload the image that you generated earlier. This could be a character image, a scene image, or any visual that you want to animate for your AI video project. After uploading the image, copy your animation prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure your prompt clearly describes the movement, camera motion, and actions you want to see in the final video. Once that's done, move to the quality settings. Here you'll find multiple output options, including resolutions up to 4K. Honestly, it's pretty impressive that a platform offering free sign-up credits even provides access to 4K generation. However, there is something important to keep in mind. Higher resolutions consume more credits. For this tutorial, I personally recommend selecting 1080p. In my experience, 1080p provides the perfect balance between quality and credit usage. The output looks professional, sharp and clean, while allowing you to generate more videos with your available credits. For a 10-second video, 1080p typically uses around 12 credits. If your goal is to maximize the number of videos you can create, you can also choose 720p. It consumes fewer credits and still delivers surprisingly good results. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs. If quality is your priority, go with 1080p. If saving credits is your priority, choose 720p. Personally, I prefer 1080p because the visuals look much more professional, especially for YouTube content and AI video projects. Now simply click on the Generate button. The AI will begin processing your video immediately. Since we're using the free plan, generation may take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it can be even faster depending on server load. So, don't panic if your video doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a little time to finish processing. Once the generation is complete, watch the video carefully before downloading it. And wow, just look at the result. The animation looks smooth. The movements feel natural. The camera motion is clean. The visual quality is surprisingly impressive. The scenes feel cinematic and engaging, and when you remember that all of this was created using free credits, the results become even more impressive. Most viewers would never guess that this video was generated using a free AI tool. Now let's create another example. We'll upload a different image, use a new animation prompt, select our preferred quality settings, and click Generate once. Again, the process is exactly the same. No complicated setup, no advanced editing skills, no expensive software. Just a few clicks and you're generating professional-looking AI videos, and that's only one feature. Available inside Akool Ai. The platform includes several additional AI tools and creative features that you can explore. Later, as you become more comfortable with the workflow, some advanced capabilities require a paid subscription. But honestly, the free version is more than enough for beginners who want to learn AI video creation and start producing content immediately. So don't feel pressured to upgrade right away. Start with the free credits. Learn the workflow, experiment with different images and prompts. Create a few AI videos and see the results for yourself. You might be surprised by how much you can accomplish without spending any money. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who wants to create amazing AI videos using powerful AI tools. And if you'd like to see more tutorials on AI video generation, AI animation, image-to-video workflows, and the latest AI tools, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.